In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this scene with Blender. This tutorial was created to commemorate the channel's 10,000 subscribers milestone. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing. Let's create a text. Tab, to edit the text. R, X, and 90, to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis. I'll extrude and bevel the text. Let's add a golden material. Let's start to work on the background sphere. We need 3 segments and rings. Here are the full nodes. Please remember to use Eevee with bloom. Let's create a new sphere. This time, 16 segments and rings. S, to scale the new sphere. Let's select the small sphere, and Shift-select the big sphere. Press Ctrl P to parent. Please select the big sphere and Ctrl 3 to subdivide it. We could either instance it on faces or vertices. I prefer instancing on the vertices, but please feel free to use any instancing methods. Please experiment with scaling. We'll get different results when small or big spheres are scaled while using the instancing feature. This is the result of the vertices instancing. I prefer the vertices method for this mesh, because the vertices instancing method looks better. One thing to learn is how we can scale the small spheres that were instanced on the big mesh. Please experiment with scaling, to get the best result. I'll turn off use nodes. Let's set up the render scene. Lastly, we need to adjust the camera's focal length. We can animate the background by rotating as well, but I'll skip that part and just render a single frame. Please right-click the big sphere and shade smooth. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.